your corner or the corner.
Okay, thank you very much for the state members. Almost all games we are playing in, because I can't exactly remember, but as we know, there are just few games and I can't even tell. But the major games, that football games, we are having traditional dancers will be here for the social part. We are going to have even people swimming, almost all the games. Volleyball, all the games will be there.
Tug of war.
All the games on DG. My name is Bernard Domboko, the Secretary General of CASA, County Assembly Sports Association.
From Kakamega.
From Kakamega.
Mr. Ruben Kamoga. I am the chairman of Ealasca East African Local Authorities Sports and Cultural Association. This game started in 2008. They started from Machakos. So we have been rotating in all East African countries. But we were by COVID, and we decided to revamp them, and we ended up coming to Kisumu. Kisumu had hosted Ealasca before, but this time we came and said, no, let us go back to our friends. So that's why we are here. And we are very grateful to His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Kisumu for having hosted us.